traċedja li ħallit żewġ Brittaniċi mejta waqt li kienu fi triqthom lejn Malta. Dan meta l-ajruplan li kienu fuqu ġarraf waqt li kienet itir fin-nofsinhar ta' Franza nhar l-Erbgħa li għadda f'dak li huma stess kienu qed isejħulu il-vjaġġ ta' ħajjithom. Il-pilota Andrew Buck ta' 37 sena kien ikkonfermat li tilef ħajtu flimkien ma' raġel ieħor ta' 18-il sena li l-identità tiegħu għadha mhix magħrufa. F'intervista esklusiva ma' Net News, Richard Pike, ħabib ta' Andrew Buck u direttur ta' Purple Aviation, il-kumpanija li tagħha kien il-proprjetà l-ajruplan li ġarraf, jiddeskrivi dak li seħħ bħala traċedja terribbli.
Andrew was a really excellent guy. He was a good pilot, it's just extremely sad. He was a really lovely person, and he was having the time of his life. Yeah, the night before, we probably had possibly the best day of our lives the day before, and the trip was amazing. And he was really thankful and grateful to be involved in it. So it's really been awful.
Iż-żewġ tirġiel kienu parti minn grupp ta' ajruplani li telqu minn Eshet Airfield f'Northumberland nhar il-Ħadd li għadda fid-direzzjoni lejn Malta u sa dak il-ħin tal-inċident il-5 ajruplani kienu diġà għamlu 15-il waqfa differenti bħala parti minn din l-avventura. L-ajruplani kienu monoplanes żgħar ta' tip li jkollhom skrun wieħed fuq quddiem, jidher li l-ajruplani kien għadhom kif ġew irrestawrati f'dawn l-aħħar xhur. Net News jista' jikkonferma li l-grupp ta' ħbieb li kienu qed jitajru dawn l-ajruplani kienu ġejjin Malta għal btala qasira.
It's basically trying to inspire people to, see what adventures they could do by flying. And we knew that Malta was a long way. It sort of rhymed with, Monmouth to Malta. And we just thought it would be an amazing adventure. And, the airport were happy to let us land there as well. Which was great, and everything was going extremely well. We were having the time of our lives. To be honest, we were having the best time. Family were flying out to see us in Malta, and then we were going to have a few days in Malta, sort of enjoying the island.
Missier il-pilota kiteb fuq Facebook illi kellu l-aktar aħbar kera it-tifel Andrew Buck miet f'ajruplan fl-Alpi Franċiżi kif se ngħix mingħajrek inħobbok ibni. Intant, apparti l-ajruplan li ġarraf kien hemm ajruplan ieħor li wettaq inżul ta' emerġenza, Richard Pike qalilna li l-pilota ħareġ waħdu mill-ajruplan mingħajr ebda ġrieħi gravi. Helikopters ta' salvataġġ, ambulanzi, pumpieri u pulizija ġew imsejħa fil-post fejn seħħ l-inċident għalkemm il-ħidma ħadet fit-tul minħabba problemi ta' aċċessibilità.
We provided the authorities with all of our cameras and audio equipment. We were obviously filming, ourselves. To sort of, show the adventure, and it was all just going so well. But we've given the authorities all of our stuff now to sort of show them what happened and try and help them. Like I said, there's been a lot of misreporting of collisions and things, but the aircraft were nowhere near each other. They were maybe half a mile apart. They were absolutely nowhere near each other.
Il-Pulizija Lokali issa se tinvestiga biex tiddetermina x'kkawża din it-traċedja.